Hello, hope you all are doing well after a very long time. In today's video, I am gonna show you a problem now I am getting in the Google Apps script. So now you can see this is the simple script, and whenever I am now going to run this, so I am getting an error. So the error is, yeah, so we are sorry, there was an unexpected and it is not able to create the project in cloud and resource exhausted, sorry. This is the problem now I am getting. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this issue. So let's do one thing. First, search here Google Cloud Console. Go to this first link, and at the top corner console, and from this drop down of your Google accounts, select your specific Google account, the same Google account you are going to authorize to your app script. So from here, uh, let's create a new project. You can uh, write any name of this project. Let's create. Okay, now click on select project. Okay, from this menu, just select API and service, then select library. Search set API, and click on enable. For me, I selected only Google Sheet API because in my app script I am going to use only one resource, it is Google Sheet. For your case, if it is Gmail, Google Doc or Google Calendar, so the same process you will follow, and you will enable other, like here you will search Google Calendar, Gmail, Google Doc. You will enable those all APIs. Okay, so now here what I'll do next, I will go to consent screen, and here click on get started. I'll give here any name, thing. Here go next, select external, go next. For you, you can write your any account, so no problem. Select checkbox and continue, and then last click on create. Okay, now okay, all done. So this is the project. Okay, sorry. So how to go to the first page? Okay, let's go to the Google Cloud Console again. Okay, so this is okay. From here you can select your project. So this is the city issue I created. So from here you can see this is the project number, so copy it. Now go to your sheet, go to the setting, and here in this section click on this change project, and here paste the project number. This is the Google Cloud project number, and click on set project. Okay, all done. Now let's go back to the script, and let's go to the run it. Okay, now I am not getting the error, I'm getting the authorization window. Okay, I will give all the permission. I will select this same Google account, Okay, now the error is coming. It is saying that redirect URI and something is not there. Okay, so it is the okay, so this could be the redirect URI. Okay, let's copy it. Let's go back to the project from here. Okay, one thing to do, maybe here. Okay, let's from audience, let's publish this app. Okay, now let me try one more time. Okay, now it worked. Okay, click on advanced and click on this last link, select this checkbox and the continue. Okay, now it is working. So now you see, if I run the script, now it is working. So it means the problem is now fixed. So what exactly the problem was? It is that the script was not able to create the project in Google Cloud. So we created the project manually and we connected here, and right now it is working. So if you encounter this kind of issue related Google Cloud in Google Apps Script, you can manually follow these steps to create the project in Google Cloud, and you can connect the cloud project here in the script, and it will resolve your issue. So now you can see this is the cloud project. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.